Hi, this is Christian from FXVPS, your world-class Forex VPS provider. In this video, I will show you how to sign into RDP using Android. First is go to your Google Play Store. Then search for Remote Desktop Connection. Click the one that was created by Microsoft. Download and install it. While waiting for the installation, check your email. Your server is ready. Save your login details. Once the installation is done, open the app and accept the terms. Inside the app, click the plus sign button and click Add PC to add your VPS. Click Add manually. Fill in the PC name with your VPS IP address. Click the drop-down menu on User Account, then choose Add User Account. Type in your VPS username and password, then click Save. After that, click Save again. Your VPS should show on the list of PCs. Double-click to connect. Then a pop-up will appear. Just check. Never ask again for connections to this PC. Then click Connect and wait for VPS to load. That's it. Thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more useful tips using a Forex VPS or a VPS in general, please subscribe to our channel. If you are interested on using one of our VPS, you can try us out for 7 days for only $1.99. Any questions or issues you have, we have our 24 hours live chat support, as well as email that is available anytime.